Hello students, today we learn about first chapter. The topic is taxonomical aids. What is taxonomical aids? The aids are materials which help in the taxonomy or identification of organism is called taxonomical aids. Various taxonomical aids are found, which are as number one, herbarium. Second is botanical garden. Third is zoological park. Third is fourth, museum. And next, monographs. Manual. These are the taxonomical aids. It helps in the taxonomy. So first of all, we know about herbarium. What is herbarium? All of you makes herbarium file in the lower classes. The herbarium is the collection of different kinds of specimens or the parts of living beings, that is a part of plants, leaves, fruits, seeds, roots, and the living animals, that is skeleton and whole animals, various specimens. It helps in the identification of organism. How can we make herbarium? Herbarium file आप कैसे prepare कर सकते हैं? For the preparing of herbarium file, we go to various fields and collect different types of material of living organism, that is leaf, seeds, etc. And these materials are dried and pasted on the herbarium file. Herbarium file with the help of gums. When the pasted, after pasting the material on the papers, spray insecticide and pesticide on them for the protection of fungus and insects for long life. And then we describe the whole information about specimen, that is collection site, collection date, collector's name, common name, scientific name, economic value, various informations are labeled on the papers. So this is a herbarium file completes. इस तरीके से हम herbarium फाइल को कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं और उसको फ्यूचर में नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी भी जरूरत पड़े उसको हम देख सकते हैं और किसी भी मटेरियल की स्टडी कर सकते हैं, वो उसका शेप कैसा है, साइज कैसा है, उसके इंटरनल पार्ट्स में कैसे हैं। नेक्स्ट, बॉटनिकल गार्डन इट द कलेक्शन ऑफ लिविंग प्लांट्स which help in the identification of plants. The examples of botanical garden is NBRI, Lucknow, Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, Kew in England, Zoological Park. It is a taxonomical aids. It is a collection of various wild animals. The wild animals are kept in the natural habitats, provide to natural habitats, and it helpful in the identification of different kinds of wild animals. Museum. It is a taxonomical aids. In this, that is a storehouse of various types of plants and animals parts, that is living plants and fossils, skeleton, various kinds of parts of organism kept in them and observe their parts which helpful in the taxonomy. Monograph is the complete information of any genus or families at a given time. Manual it is a taxonomical aids. It is total, it provides total information of any genus, family, species, etc. Key, it is an article observation of different kinds of organisms based on their similarities and dissimilarities.